It is the first week of spring, and it is no coincidence if you find yourself with some watery eyes and maybe sneezing a little bit, because it also means that allergy season is here.
Yeah, it does. And pollen and, of course, other allergens in the air have many of us reaching for that box of tissues. Emily Hamilton is live at Gill Landscape Nursery with what may be a home remedy. Good morning, Emily. Tell us about it.
Well, good morning, Mike. Yeah, researchers at NASA actually studied plants in environments with different levels of pollutants and found that some shrubbery may cure your cough and sneezing. Spring has sprung, and so has the pollen count. But some botanists say certain plants inside your home can actually reduce allergy symptoms.
Being exposed to nature when you're recovering from an illness will actually speed up the recovery time, so plants in your house should do the same thing.
So how exactly does that work? What's the science behind stopping the sniffles? We spoke with experts.
The plants help to filter that air, and plant life will help reduce the particulates that are in the air.
Certain plants essentially act as a natural filtration system or humidifier inside your home.
It can take them out of the air and make it cleaner. It also, of course, you ever notice dusty leaves? Well, that's kind of great because it's taking that dust out of the air instead of going into us. It's settling on the leaves, and you just clean the leaves every once in a while.
James Gill owns Gill's Landscape Nursery and suggested his top 3 picks for beating the allergy season blues.
This plant, spider plant, also known as airplane plant, removed more pollutants than any other plant.
Next on the list has a funny name, but serious benefits.
This one is known as mother-in-law's tongue, or sansevieria. Easy, easy, easy plant to grow.
Lastly, this plant is also known for curing congestion.
This is another great plant. This is spathiphyllum, also known as jack in the pulpit. Easy to grow as long as you don't overwater, and it is a champion at taking pollutants out of the air.
And those botanists said it's best to meet with someone at a nursery here like Gill's that can help you address your specific allergy needs to find the best plants to fill your home with this allergy season. Reporting live this morning from Gill's Landscape Nursery, Emily Hamilton, Chris 6 News.